Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into HubSpot, manage CRM. Open your web browser such as Chrome, Edge, Safari, or Firefox. In the address bar, type HubSpot.com and press enter. On the HubSpot homepage, find and click the login button at the top right. On the login page, choose whether you want to log in with email and password or with Google. If you use email and password, click the email field and type the email address you used for your HubSpot account. Click the password field and type your HubSpot password carefully. Click the login button to continue. If you use Google, click Continue with Google and select the correct Google. If HubSpot asks for permission, review the access request and click Allow or Continue. If you see a two-factor authentication prompt, open your Authenticator app or check your SMS code. Enter the verification code exactly as shown and submit it. If you forgot your password, click Forgot My Password on the login page. Type your email address and follow the reset link that HubSpot sends to your inbox. After you log in, you will land on the HubSpot dashboard for your account. If you belong to multiple accounts, click your account name to select the correct portal. Look at the top navigation bar to see key areas like CRM, marketing, sales, service, and commerce. To manage contacts, click CRM and then click Contacts. To view companies, deals, or tickets, stay under CRM and select the item you need. To access marketing tools, click Marketing and choose Email, Forms, Ads, or Social. To check your website and landing pages, click Content and then select Website Pages or Landing Pages. To review automation, click Automations and open Workflows if your plan includes it. To adjust your profile settings, click your profile icon in the top right corner. To manage users, permissions, and account defaults, click Settings from the Profile menu. If you cannot log in, double-check your email spelling and make sure caps lock is off for your password. Try using a private or incognito window to avoid saved session issues. Clear browser cache or try another browser if the page does not load correctly. If your company uses SSO, click the SSO option and follow your organization's sign-in steps. When you are finished, click your profile icon and choose Logout to keep your account secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.